Right. Now, the topic is what are the retailing trends which are happening in India? All of us know Indian market is mostly filled with unorganized sector, unorganized retailing like kirana shops, and not very highly invested organizations, not very structured, not very sophisticated store designs, or they do not use much of technology, and very traditional shopping attitudes the consumers are having. But now, since after the globalization, after the 1990 reforms, Indian government also opened doors for many of the foreign players or bigger joints in terms of entering into the retail sector. It's a huge potential in this particular area. So this is one of the information that I wanted to share. These are few observed retailing styles or formats in India. Why the retailing is moving from unorganized to organized retailing? The reason is there is a shift from unorganized to organized retailing. The reason is most of the foreign direct investments are pumped into the retailing business, and most of the families are from the joint family style, they are moving to the nuclear family style. And we are very convinced with the store design, the ambience which is created, and there's a huge competition which is also one of the trend. And new form of retailing is happening, and technology is much more used. Today, just by click we get the products, not necessarily getting into the shop. And consumer buying behavior is also changing because of double income families. And apart from shopping, the retailing is with a tendency of giving some entertainment as well. It means some kind of recreational facilities are also added as part of the big malls and shopping centers. So these are the reasons or trend. These are the trends which are observed in retailing in India. So first one, when we talk about shift from unorganized to organized retailing, uh, basically Indian scenario is a lot of unorganized structure. Single proprietor managed shops are more. So there is proper supply chain management perspective was not very much existing. And the key factor which drives the or which encourages organized retailing is typically because of um, higher lifestyles, better standard of life, and higher disposable incomes, and more of urbanization, and consumerism is growing. Uh, very much uh, change, visible change in the family structures from joint family to nuclear family structure, and more and more literacy and education among the women, both women and men working. So all these are the reasons for shifting the shift of retailing from unorganized to organized retailing. Then store design. Typically, when a bigger organization is entering into the retailing market, they will be able to invest much more. So the organized retailing is obviously interested to create better environment, and that is an attraction for the people to get inside malls. Most of the time, mm, even though you do not have any perception or any interest to purchase, you go for window shopping because it is a kind of attraction or the environment. So people try to get attracted, and they try to spend more time in shopping, and be tend to become impulsive buyers, in the sense we do not have any plan to buy, but after going there and seeing, you're tempted, or you're without any plan, you are just ending up buying something. That's called impulsive buying. The third trend, which is very much visible, is competition, because now big organizations, very reputed organizations, are entering into the retailing business. So therefore, huge competition is going to be uh, visible, and as a result, a lot of discount stores, departmental stores, supermarkets, hypermarkets, and various big shopping malls, etc., are the result of that. So, in spite of all these bigger firms playing an important role, the small shopkeepers or independent retailers, they still have the attitude to provide a very personalized services and customized services to their customers. So apart from these three, there is a new form of retailing. This is actually as a result of 1990 reforms. The first Indian first shopping mall was named as Crossroads in Mumbai. That is with speciality of serving the food, having a lot of food courts and recreation facilities and large car parking space, etc. That was in 1990, but now almost these 20, 30 plus years, lot of 20 plus years or 2 decades, lot of new things happen in terms of creating a better shopping experience to the customers. And technology is working as a very, very competitive tool for the business firms, that today, sitting at home, all of us are trying to do a lot of online shopping, or doing, I mean, depending on e-commerce sites. So technology is a lot of sensor based technology has come into this market also. The artificial intelligence also entered into the retailing business, to understand which type of products the customers are interested in, and all that. So here, this is one of the advantage for enjoyed by the organized retailers compared to unorganized players, because they can invest in terms of using technology, and they can have and they can hire people and all that. So this has become one of the key point for the organized retailing business. And the technology also has given a path towards increasing or incremental growth in terms of non-store retailing, or there is no store. Typically it means online stores. They do not maintain any stock, as and when the order is received by them, and they're supplying the products. And changing consumer buying behavior. uh, Typically, as consumers, we have a lot of changing preferences and tastes. So there is no uniform trend which any company can predict. So there are a lot of changes or differences in the shopping patterns of customers. Uh, so generally, as and when the incomes are increasing, disposable incomes are available, and majority of the people are working, they try to have a better lifestyle. So obviously, the organized retailing sector is waiting for such opportunity, and they're trying to encash this changing trend of the consumers and try to provide better. So generally, when we enter into a shopping mall, it's not typically one type of product, but they deal with a lot of perishables, uh, like consumables and vegetables, and all the daily grocery needs. Apart from that, the furnishing and all the domestic requirements or household goods are available. And one very unique feature of retailing trend is entertainment. Today, when people are bored or not able to spend their time, quality time in the house, they just enter into a shopping mall. Just by it's a place to assemble or place to meet, a meeting point or means of entertainment, or a lot of facilities like food courts and theaters and play areas, coffee shops, etc., and movie theaters, etc. So these are the very much visible trends which are there in the retailing retailing sector in India. So if at all a question comes on that what are the retailing trends in India, you can add few more points after browsing the net and make your own notes on this. Get ready for the topic. So unit 4, if at all anybody wants to uh, give any PPT on the completed topics, you can get back to me in the group. Are you listening, students?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Like Gulshan did some good topic today. Similarly, if you guys want to do a kind of revision for this topic, tomorrow is open for the revision. So get back to me in the group. That is whatever revision you want to do. Otherwise, if we are not responding to this, then I'll start my unit 5 tomorrow. Or I'll give you 1 day time. Just go through the syllabus, and if at all you want to give some presentation on your own, you are welcome. Right? So get back to me in the marketing management group with your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable in unit 4 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Everybody? Right. Please go through. Since the corona effect, due to this, the lockdown is extended, so probably we'll have to finish the topic like this only. The unit 5 I'll finish. So tomorrow 1 day I'll give time for those who want to respond, and day after I will get back to you with the unit 5 topic. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So will I get Gulshan's record also here on this? Is it going to be available?
I will save and send it to you, ma'am.
Is Gulshan?
I will save it and send the link, ma'am.
Do that. Yeah. Because I am only recording this now.